Hi everyone, today with me I have the IcooBreeze 2-pack of sleep masks. They are made from bamboo fiber, which is natural, breathable, and harmless. So I absolutely think it is a perfect material to have on your sleep mask. Check that out. It is super smooth and nicely padded, and it closes with Velcro on the back, as you can see. And that means you can regulate how tight or how loose you want your mask to be. I chose these two colors, this nice grayish one with this nice kind of gold one, and they're absolutely gorgeous. I definitely recommend you check these out on Amazon. They are incredible. It even has the cutout for the nose, so it fits into your nose as well. Great, keeping all that darkness trapped inside, which helps with your sleep so much. I've definitely been on the lookout for a good sleeping mask, and I look no further than this because these are incredible. You can get one for you and your best friend, husband, girlfriend, partner, whatever you have, and you can both rock the same sleeping mask in different colors. So go check these out on Amazon. They're definitely worth it.